Hey everyone, this is teacher Harpreet and I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home as we are doing manipulative skills. For doing manipulative skills, we need some equipment which we are going to make at home. So for the next activity, we need cones. We are going to make these cones with using paper. So let's get started. For making these paper cones, we need paper. You can take any paper which is available at your home. Then you need a pair of scissors to cut and a tape, or you can use glue to secure it. Now you need to fold the sheet like so and try to make a cone out of it. So you need to try and check again and again how it goes, and then when you are satisfied with the size of your cone, then hold it and secure it with the tape, or you can use a stapler, or you can use a glue to secure it. Then you need to trim the extra paper at the bottom of the cone. Make sure all the edges of the cone are equal so that our cone will stay still when we use it, like this. So now our cone is ready. So for the next cone, you can just measure it with the first cone which we have made, and then trim the extra according to it so that all our cones are equal in size. We need few cones for this activity, so you can make as many cones you need according to your space. The cones are ready to use for our activities. I hope you had fun making your own paper cones for our activities. So keep rocking, stay healthy. See you when you see me back. Bye bye.